Hi everyone and welcome to Century Shala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about Karma Wealth Builder PMS. Karma Wealth Builder PMS is a multi-cap strategy. It is an exceptional investment strategy which is designed to maximize long-term returns for investors. With over 7,200 crore in AUM, Karma Capital brings a wealth of expertise to the table. Founded in 2005, it is an employee-owned boutique investment firm based in Mumbai which is committed to disciplined, bottom-up research and careful portfolio construction. Now let's understand what makes this strategy stand out. It follows a strategy that invests early in the market and makes high-conviction bets on its best ideas. The top 10 holdings make up 68% of the portfolio, showing confidence in those stocks. With a low turnover of less than 30%, Karma aims for long growth while keeping costs low. Impressively, it has 90% of success rate, profiting from almost all the stocks it has held in the last decade. Additionally, 90% of its holdings are highly liquid, allowing them to be sold within a month if needed, providing flexibility and managing risks for investors. Now let's understand why should you choose Karma Wealth Builder. First, proven track record. Over the last 10 years, they have compounded wealth at an impressive rate of 18.3%, demonstrating the ability to consistently outperform the market. Second, focus strategy. The all-cap strategy focuses on identifying early cycle companies with high growth potential that are often overlooked by the broader market. They maintain concentrated portfolio of around 25 high conviction stocks, ensuring each position reflects deep research and confidence. Third, superior research process. They employ a rigorous 3-screen investment process, filtering over 500 companies to a focused selection of 25. The team of experienced analysts meticulously evaluates each candidate on quantitative factors, management quality, and growth potential, with ongoing scrutiny and adjustments based on the market conditions. Fourth, strong performance against benchmark. The Karma Wealth Builder PMS has consistently outperformed the BSE 500 TRI index with an average 10-year rolling return of 15.4% compared to the benchmark's 12.7%. Fifth, risk management and ESG focus. They actively manage risk by maintaining liquidity and diversification and integrating environmental, social and governance considerations into the investment decisions aligned with the long-term sustainable growth. Karma Wealth Builder PMS is a gateway to participating in India's growth story through a disciplined research-driven investment process. The long-term focus and contrarian mindset have helped them deliver superior returns, and they are confident they can do the same for you. Therefore, we invite you to explore this opportunity and look forward to partnering with them in building enduring wealth. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned.